On this video, I'm going to show you how to request your transcripts from Labatt Community College. You'll go to the LCC homepage. You'll go to Students. Under Student Resources, sorry about that, you'll go down to Transcripts/registrar. Excuse me, I can't talk. All right, so your transcript request. This talks about your two types of transcripts: official, which are free, and unofficial, which are free, and official, which has a fee. Making sure anything that goes to a college will need to have an official transcript for the most of the time. If you are wanting to request an official transcript, click here. Notice that you have your delivery options and fee, however that may be. So for electronic, it's $10. Electronic is typically the best way to go. So you would click here. This is going to take you to a transcript ordering center that has all the information. Make sure you read everything. When you go to order your transcripts, you'll put in all of your personal information, including your student ID and social security number. I don't have anything to put in, so I'm not going to. Then you'll click Continue. Notice that was step 1. Step 2 will be select transcript and delivery detail. So you will select the school. Labatt Community College will be on there. Then you will select your school that you want it to be sent to. Confirm it, order, and checkout. That is where the fee will be assessed. You're confirming what you're ordering. You will also then put in your payment, form of payment at that point in time, and then it will be sent. Make sure you hit submit. Make sure you have everything taken care of and entered exactly the way you need to in order for you to have your transcripts sent. Thank you.